Lay the guides on a safe, secure work area and mark the guides with the brush strip facing upwards. Measure 120 mm from the top and 120 mm from the bottom. Position the guides back to back so you can mark both together to keep the holes level. Work out the size between the marked holes and mark out the relevant number of fixings required at evenly spaced intervals. Use a 6 or 7 mm drill bit for the first holes. Drill all the way through the guides. When all the holes are drilled, use a 12.5 mm drill bit and drill out all front holes on the guides. This will allow for the cover caps to be fitted, which will ensure a neat finish. We recommend putting a cut in the top of the guide approximately 25 to 30 mm down and slightly bent out to give a smoother running door.